Pedagogical analysis is an approach used in education to examine the teaching and learning process in order to identify the most effective methods for achieving educational goals. It involves an in-depth examination of the instructional design and delivery, as well as the assessment of students' learning outcomes. Pedagogical analysis can be applied to various levels of education, including elementary, secondary, and higher education. It is often used by teachers, curriculum designers, and educational researchers to evaluate and improve the quality of education. Pedagogical analysis is important in education for several reasons. Pedagogical analysis allows teachers and educational researchers to examine the teaching and learning process and identify areas of strengths and weaknesses. This information can be used to improve the instructional design and delivery to better meet the needs of students. Pedagogical analysis can help teachers and educators to develop effective teaching strategies that can improve students' learning outcomes. By identifying areas where students are struggling and developing strategies to address those areas, teachers can help students to achieve their educational goals. It allows teachers and educators to evaluate the effectiveness of different instructional approaches and make adjustments as needed. This can lead to improved teaching practices and better student learning outcomes. Pedagogical analysis can also inform the design of the curriculum. By identifying the most effective teaching strategies and instructional approaches, educators can develop a curriculum that meets the needs of students and prepares them for future academic and professional success. Pedagogical analysis can be used as a part of a continuous improvement process in education. By regularly evaluating the teaching and learning process, educators can identify areas for improvement and make adjustments to ensure that students are receiving the best possible education. Generally, stages in the pedagogical analysis after selection of the content includes content analysis, that is, analysis of the content to be taught, instructional or curricular objective formulation, then selection of teaching methods or strategies. Next, selection of supports, that is, teaching learning aids. After that, selection of appropriate evaluation devices, and finally, election of follow-up for further learning. Now, some key elements of pedagogical analysis may include examining the learning environment, including classroom layout, seating arrangements, and instructional materials. Analyzing the teacher's instructional methods, including lecture, discussion, and hands-on activities. Assessing student learning through formative and summative assessments. Identifying areas where students are struggling and developing strategies for addressing those areas. Evaluating the effectiveness of the instructional approach and making adjustment as needed. Overall, pedagogical analysis is a valuable tool for improving the teaching and learning process and ensuring that students achieve their educational goals. Now, try this.